Okay, so now we have gone into setup H. Basically, setup H is swash plate servo centering. We have to use subtrim through this gyro to center all the three cyclic servos up here. So now we are going to select each servo one by one, and to do this we are going to move the rudder stick either to the left or right. As you can see, the status LED has gone purple, and purple indicates that the elevator servo is now selected for sub-trimming. Now in order to move the servo up and down, we are going to move our elevator up and down. As you can see, I move my elevator up and I brought it back to the center. You can adjust it by moving the elevator servo up and down. The next, if you want to select the aileron servo, we have to again move the rudder stick, and the status LED goes red. This show indicates that now the aileron servo has been selected for sub trimming. Again, if you want to trim it up and down, we will just move the elevator stick up or down. As you see, I moved it up, the servo moved up, and if I moved it down, the servo moved down. So we have to get it in the center. So I'm going to trim it to get it at the center. As you can see, it is at the center right now. Again, if we move the rudder stick, the status LED goes blue to show now that the pitch servo right here has been selected. So again, we're going to move the elevator stick up or down to center the pitch servo right here. Once this has been set, then we are going to go to the next phase of the setup, that is setup I. Hey guys, now as you can see, we are in setup I, and basically setup I, we select the swash plate mixing, and also the servo directions can be reversed in this setup through the gyro itself. Now as you can see, the status LED is flashing once and it's in red color. This indicates that I'm in the first reversing menu and I'm in 120 degrees swash plate. In case you have a 140 degrees swash plate, you can move your rudder stick till you get status LED blue. That indicates you're in 140 degrees swash plate. And now move your throttle stick up and down to make sure that all the three servos move up when you move your throttle stick up, and when you move your throttle stick down, all servos have to move down. In case this is not happening, you can go to the next reversing section, that would be two flashes. This is the next type of servo reversing, the possibility of servo reversing by the gyro. And again, move your throttle stick. All three have to move up when you move your throttle stick up, and when you move your throttle stick down, it has to move down. As you can see, it is not happening currently because I've set it to two flashes and I'm in 140 degrees swash plate mix. As this is a 120 degree CCPM, I'm going to set it to 120 degrees. Right now it's flashing red, and I'm going to set it till I get one flash. Move my rudder stick till I get one flash. Now you see, I've got one flash and now it is in 120 degrees swash plate mix. Now as you see, all my servos are moving up and down. As I move my throttle stick up, so all three servos are moving up. As I'm moving my throttle stick down, all my servos are moving down. Since this is correct, I'm gonna hit this button and go to setup J.